औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली अल्लाहुम्मा अफ़्तह अलैना हिकमतक वअनशुर रहमतक या ज़ल जलाली वल इकराम अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी असअलुका इल्मन नाफ़िअन व अमलन मुतक़ब्बलन व रिज़्क़न तय्यिबा अल्लाहुम्मा आफ़िनी फ़ी बदनी अल्लाहुम्मा आफ़िनी फ़ी सम्मी अल्लाहुम्मा आफ़िनी फ़ी बसरी ला इलाहा इल्ला अंत सुब्हानक इन्नी कुन्तु मिनज़ ज़ालिमीन Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn how to create a web page using Dreamweaver or Notepad editor. We are going to use the Dreamweaver software and we will design this web page like that. We are going to design this web page. How to design this we are going to see. Okay, now let's take a start. I'm going to open an exercise handout. Here is my exercise handout. So starting from here, so instruction is written over here. I'm building a website, recreating the website of Arena International Renewable Energy Agency, linked with 3 pages. So 3 pages means it is linked with 3 pages. A single page document known as web page and collection of web pages are known as website. So this link to access the website, so right click here. I'm going to open a new tab to copy the content. We will use this to copy the content and then we will later on we will paste in our okay fine. Okay, now let's take start. We will use the content from this website. Okay, now so create a new HTML document with the name index.html Dreamweaver and save it in the folder with your name, and also set the document title to Arena. It's very easy. So go to the Dreamweaver, click on top right corner, file, new file. Then here you need to select the document type is HTML5. Click on create. So we have created this file. Now we need to save this file. Save as. So on the desktop I'm going to create a folder here, new folder. So here I will write here file. I'm going to write my name Faisal Jalil. Okay, building a website. Okay, open this folder, and now I need to change the file name as well. So file name is index.html and then let's save it. .html is the extension. Automatically this page will appear in front of you. So this is called code section, in which HTML code is written here, tags are written here. So this split section, this is design section, and this is code section, and now this is the only design section. So we will work in this section, split section. So let's go back. Instruction number 1 is done. Instruction number 2, set the font to calibri from the page property to hold the content is displayed in the same font. So this is the font writing style. So we need to set this from the page property. So go back to the document and let's see where is the page property. At the bottom right corner here we have the page property. Click on it, and now we need to change the page font. It's by default, so we need to change it to calibri. So I'm going to do what? Go back to the document. I will deselect this. I'm going to copy this text from here, copy, and I will paste it in the Dreamweaver over here like that, and then click on apply. Look here, it will apply over here. CSS as a style. So it's written here body, table data, table header. We will apply this font family calibri. So click on apply and then click on OK. Look here, these styles are applied over here, and it is in the head section. This is starting tag, ending tag, then the head tag. In the head tag we can insert the title, and also we can add the CSS files, embed the CSS file. So let me save this. Go back. We have done these 2 instructions. Now third and fourth instruction. Third instruction is to create a table of 4 columns, 10 rows with the width of 1000 pixel and the center align it. Alignment we have also applied. Table border and cell padding must be 0 and cell spacing 2 pixels. So there are so many skills that you are going to learn in this single statement. So let's pause for a while. Azan सुन लें. Now third option is create a table of 4 columns. Are you there, Nabira? Okay, now let's create the table of 4 columns and 10 rows with the width of 10 pixels. So where is that? Okay, go back. Dreamweaver. So we need to do what? Inside the body section, inside the body tag, whatever you will type inside the body tag here, it will appear over here. So I'm going to insert a table. So click on insert tab. Now click on table. Now this window will appear. Here we need to set 10 rows and 4 columns, isn't it? 10 rows and 4 columns. Okay, so we'll type here 10 rows, 4 columns, and now width is 1000 pixels, and central line it, table border and cell padding must be 0, spacing 2 pixels, cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, and what else? Cell padding 0 and cell spacing 0. Table border and cell padding must be 0. Okay, table border be 0. And cell spacing is 2 pixels. Okay, fine, and click on OK. So look here, table are created. So here is the table tag is width. These are additional attributes. Width is 100 pixel, border is 0, cell spacing is 0, and cell padding is also 0. Table row is what? We define a table row with the help of tr tag, table data, that we insert the data in the 4 columns. With the td tag we can insert like that. So just click here, it will appear over here. So now click on design section, you will see that it will look like this one. Now after that we are heading towards and then we need to align this in the center. So let's check that. Go back in the code section, split. What if I will type the align bit as well here? Align is equal to center सेंटर लाइन हो गया. Okay, now alignment center हो गया. Okay, now let's go back and now read the next instruction. We have done 3 instructions. Now insert the logo arena in the first cell, the image folder, merge rest of the cells in the row. Okay, now in the first cell of the table we are going to insert the arena logo. So go back in the document, where is logo? Here is the logo. Drag and drop in Dreamweaver in the first cell. Where is the first cell? This is first, second, third. Okay, let's click on OK. But it's not first cell. We need to change the cell, place it over here in the first cell. Now this is the first cell. So click on design section. We need to merge the rest of the cells. So just select these cells, select all these cells, right click on it. Now here we need to click on table. Now merge cells. Cells are merged now. Now let me save this work. Control S. Okay, now we have done 4 steps. In step number 5, in this step we will create a navigation. Navigation is the option from where we will insert hyperlinks to access other web pages of the website. Enter this precisely and right align the whole. Okay, home tab, about us, and the contact us. Okay, let's do this. First we will type the text. We will type this text as it is. Home, about us, and contact us. Go back here. So let me drag this over here. Let me arrange these. Okay, so here I will type home tab. Okay, now shift / okay, then about us. and contact us. About us, simple text, and I'm going to write here contact us. We are creating our web page. Okay, now we need to align this to the right side, so select this all, right click on it. So here we have the align tab, so align this to the right side. Hold on second, कौन ठीक हो गया मेरा बच्चा. Okay, so now in this tab we will create navigation. Navigation is the option. Okay, hyperlinks to access the pages. We have done that. Write a line भी कर ली है whole web page. Now create the hyperlinks in the following home tab में करना है. index.html, about us को हमने about.html, contacts को contact.html. So how to create the hyperlinks? Hyperlinks are what links of the other website or web pages. So it's very easy process. First I'm going to click on the home tab, select the home text tab, and in the property section we have the HTML here. In the HTML we have the link over here. So here we will type what? index.html. Just type this and now click here. This is converted into the hyperlink. Okay, now here we will type just about.html. Select this text. Now in the link section, HTML link section, just type about.html, the extension of this web page, hypertext markup language. Now contact us, select this one. Let's convert this into hyperlink as well. So just type here contact.html. We will create these files later on. So look here, we have created the hyperlink. So go back. Now we have done till instruction number 5. Now instruction number 6, create the CSS cascading style sheets which will design your whole document with the name of navigation, and apply these properties: size 20 pixel, color, this hexadecimal code, and the weight bold. So let's take a start. How to create the navigation? This is another question. Okay, how to create this navigation? So we have this CSS file over here. So edit the rules, page properties. Okay, what if I have the page property? One is from here, and I need to save it with the name. So what if I will type here edit rules, and later on we will save this edit rules. So the option is over here. So what we need to select? Okay, apply these size. Okay, properties. Okay, size 20 pixel, color, this one, sizes, font sizes 20 pixels. So just type here 20. Okay, 20 pixel. Okay, then what we have here, color is this one. So I'm going to deselect this, select this color. This is hexadecimal code. We have this hashtag shows this is hexadecimal code, and weight is bold. So where is weight? Font weight is bold, and font color है ना? Font color. This is color. So font style, font color नहीं यहाँ पे. Font size होगा, font family होगा, color is over here. So right click here in color, just paste it over here, and now click on OK, apply. Okay, now click on OK. So we need to change this as well. ये हमारा apply तो हो चुका है. CSS is applied here. We'll see that it will appear in the body. Look here, it's applied here. The whole document. गड़बड़ तो नहीं हुई. CSS, added the CSS rule. Page property, color भी apply होगा, सब कुछ हो गया. But if I want to create a CSS file, okay, it was over here. Added new CSS rule. Okay, we need to create navigation file. We need to create from here. तो यहाँ से होगा. From in the insert section we have here this plus sign में जाके we will choose the name of the file, that is called navigation. This document, okay, this document only, fine. Okay, then click on OK. अब इसके अंदर ये आता है font family आ गया, font size था 20 pixel, 20 pixel, font weight was bold, and color was this one that we have selected earlier. और क्या था, that's it. Yes, that's it. Now, and give a name to navigation. I have given a name to this file, navigation. So apply. Okay, ठीक हो गया. अब ये apply हो गया this. Okay जी. Now what's next? Next thing is we have done till here. Okay, in the second row, merge all 4 cells to place the YouTube video in the header instead of the pictures. Okay, so merge all 4 cells so that we can place the video. So go back here. So I'm going to select all these 4 cells in the second row. Right click, click on table and merge cells. All 4 cells are merged. Do Control S, save your work. Now here we need to add the video link. So how to pick a video link? We need to select this text. It's mentioned over here. You need to find this video on YouTube first. Paste it over here. Enter. So this one, just click on it. Just click here. So we need to get what embed code. Click on share. Select the embed code. Click here. Right click on it. Copy. And now I'm going to embed this code in my Dreamweaver. Over here, just click on split section. In split section, I want to insert this over here. So just I click here. Right click and then paste this code over here. Done. Now click in the design section, it will appear like that. Okay, now what else? Do Control S. Do Control S to save your work. Go back. Read the next instruction. Okay, get the access code by clicking the share button to get the embedded code. Yes, I got that. Okay, now paste the embedded code in that TD table data via code view Dreamweaver and set the iframe width to 1000 pixel. Okay, now iframe width, right now width is 560, so I'm going to change it to 1000 pixel. So let's see. So it's 1000 pixel. Go back. Okay, just click here. Now it is set to 1000 pixel. Change that. Control S. Okay, now go back. We have done till here. Okay, now the next 4 rows of the table, merge first 2 cells together. Okay, and merge other cells together to make total 2 cells in the row. 2 cells in a row. Okay, 2 cells in a row. Okay, go back. So click on design section. Now I'm going to merge these 2 cells together. Okay, table, merge cells, and these 2 cells, merge these 2 cells together. Table, click on table and merge cells. Again, we need to merge these 2 cells. Table, merge cells, and select these 2 cells together. Right click, table, and merge cells. Okay, so let's read the instruction. Next 4 rows of the table, merge first 2 cells together. Okay, fine. Next 4 rows, 2 rows done. Now next these 2 rows, right click, merge cells, select these 2 cells, simple drag and drop, merge cells. Again select these 2 cells and table, merge cells. Right, just hold on, merge cells. Do Control S. So now we have 2 cells in each row. Okay, now So now what's next? Do Control S, go back. Okay, now what do we need to do? Okay, now in the first cell enter the text latest news, and in the other cell write upcoming events. Okay, now go back. It's easy process. Just click here. In the first cell I'm going to write latest news, and in the second cell I'm going to write what? Upcoming events. Okay, now okay, what else? Okay, what you're saying, go back. Okay, now copy paste the latest news, and then apply the same navigation class to match the theme. Okay, now same navigation class, select this. Okay, so let me select the rules. We have created this navigation. We'll click here. Navigation,
navigator,
this one, no? This one. Okay, applied over here. Okay, now next thing is what? Go back, Dreamweaver. Okay, now copy paste the latest news and upcoming events text from the Arena website. Use the paste special option to paste the text only. Okay, now fine. So let's add the news. Go back in browser. We have this file. So where is the latest news? This is latest news. Okay, latest news. Okay, let me copy this text. It's a hyperlink. These latest news are hyperlinks. Okay, what if, okay, let's click here. These are videos or text? Okay, text, right click, copy this and paste it in the Dreamweaver over here. Latest news, paste special, use this paste special. Okay, select text only, done. And let me add some random news. Go back to Arena website, and now I want to select another, this one, latest news. Okay, let me copy this. Right click, copy, go back to your Dreamweaver, paste it over, right click, paste special and text only, done. Okay, now again go back to the browser, go back. Okay, this one, news, Zimbabwe renewable, blah blah blah. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this text. Right click, copy, go back to the browser. Sir, please open your books now. मज़ा आ रहा है बेटा, मज़े ना लेना, अपना पढ़ें. पेज स्पेशल. Okay, now upcoming events. So upcoming events, where upcoming events from this website. About Arena, about membership, events. Here events. So these are upcoming events. So I'm going to copy this text, copy it and paste it in Dreamweaver over here. Right click, paste special, keep the text only. Okay, go back. ये क्या है? 7th number. Okay, let me click here. वो क्या रहा है? कुछ event आ रहा है. Okay, this one, 3rd Japan African Public Private, ये blah 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 forum, ये 7 October के. right click करके let me add here. Right click, special, paste, text only. So this is text only, done. I've entered upcoming events and the latest news. Okay, now what else? Do Control S. So what is the title? Title ही mention किया. What is the title of this page? with your name and set title to arena. Title क्या करना था? Document title should be arena. So go back. So here right now its title is untitled document. So I'm going to write here, select this, and I'm going to write here arena. So it will automatically reflect over there. Now I'm going to open this in a browser. Do Control S, save your work. Here is a preview. Click here, preview in Internet Explorer, and look here. Here is my web page that I have just created till here. Okay, hyperlinks I have created, logo is here, my video is over here, which is working video. Look here. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to do what? Move towards the next step. So in next step we need to do what? Read the instruction. We have done till this part. Now we are now instruction number. Okay, after 12, merge the next 4 cells and place the header tag to insert a horizontal ruler. Okay, now go back, next 4 cells, select these 4 cells, right click on it, table, and merge cells. Applied. Okay, now here we need to add the horizontal line. So which tag is this? Click here, and now I'm going to insert a HR tag over here, which will help us to draw horizontal line. HR tag slash caps lock off, HR tag slash, do Control S, and it will reflect over here in my page. Look here, horizontal line I have drawn over here like that. Okay, now what's next? In next step, type the heading in caps, renewable energy resource, center line, and apply the navigation CSS. Okay, now so here I'm going to write the in caps renewable what? Renewable energy resource, select this, center line it, right click, align, center align. Okay, then apply the navigation what? So here CSS, click here, I'm going to apply the navigation rules to this. Okay, cascading style inline. Okay, now navigation, select navigation. Okay, navigation rule applied. Okay, now next thing is go back. Okay, in the next line place 4 pictures of renewable energy resource from the image folder and center align it. Okay ji. In next line Bira. Okay, now here we have to insert the 4 pictures of the renewable energy resource. So go back to the folder and drag drop over here, then okay, 1 image inserted. Okay, the second image just drag and drop, marine life. Okay, you can add the alternate text as well. I haven't inserted. You can add solar. How you can add the alternate text? Just type here image not found. Okay, okay, now and wind. Okay, now here I will type wind. Here is what? Solar marine. Okay, so type here solar, and here we will type marine life. Okay, now here is what? Water, hydro. Okay, now central line, it's like this. All, right click on it, align, central line. Okay, so do Control S, and now let's go back to the browser, and let's say I'm going to, this is my web page that we have created so far. So reload this page, Look here, updates are over here. Look here, we have created this web page till here. So now what's next? So we have done till here. A central line. On the next line, enter the title, these pictures adjacent to this, and apply navigation CSS. Okay, fine, I have already done that. So select this and apply navigation CSS. So this is navigation, apply the class, done, CSS applied. Okay, now what's next? Merge the last line and copy the footer text in the arena website from the arena website and paste special text only, and center align the whole text. Also change the text color to light gray. Okay, fine. Merge all the last line and copy the footer text. Okay, fine. The last line over here, select the last line, right click on it, merge all the cells. You will get a one big cell, and then here we need to add the footer text. So go back to the website, arena website, and so arena website is where is arena website? Go back to the home tag, click on this tab. So where is the footer? Here is the footer, copyright. So I'm going to copy this and go back to the arena, right click here, footer space special text only, click on OK. ये क्या हुआ? Control Z. Okay. Special. Okay, text applied. Okay, now what else? What's the next instruction? Footer arena website takes a special. Now center align and the whole text color, and also change the text color to gray light. Okay, center align this whole text. Okay, go back. So I'm going to do what? Select this whole text, right click on it, align, center, and now change its color to gray. Okay, select this and now change this color to gray color. Where is the gray color? This one. Okay. New style sheet. Okay, let me write here footer. Click on OK. Okay, save it. File name. Oh, footer. Okay, gray color applied. Okay, do Control S, save your work. Now go back to the browser, reload the page of your website. This is the title of my web page. So reload and look here. Footer also added over here. Look here. I have created my full-fledged working website. Okay. Now I want one thing. I want to apply all this in the center. So I want I will bring this my whole table in the center. So it's very easy process. So I will do what? I will bring this to the center table. Okay. Okay. After the body tag, I'm going to write what? I'm going to insert the insert tag, center tag, sorry, center tag, starting tag, after the body, initial tag, and where is it? Body tag, and after the table tag, I'm going to insert my center tag. I will end over here. That's it. Okay, do Control S, go back to your page browser. Now let's reload it. Now look here, my web page will appear in the center. How's it, beta? समझ आई है? Now I have created this full-fledged website over here. Now, what's next? Okay, next thing is home page is ready now. copy the paste the index.html file same folder twice and rename the copy to about.html and contact data. Okay, now go back where I save my this file. It's over here, somewhere over here, Faisal Jerry Building website. So now I'm going to create its 3 copies. Copy the index.html, paste. Okay, so let me change this to about.html, HTML, and I'm going to again generate its copy. Right click, and now here I will type, just rename this file to contact.html. Okay. Done. Okay, now what else? I've done this step, done this as well. Okay, now open the about.html dreamweaver and delete the YouTube video, latest news and upcoming column from the event column. Yes, now delete the YouTube video. Okay, open about.html. So now go back in the folder. Here I'm going to open about.html, right click on it, open with dreamweaver. Now my page is now here. It will give me its name over here as well. So it's about.html. Now I'm going to delete what? Go to the design mode, just click here, press delete button from your keyboard, deleted, and latest news and upcoming events column, right click, and let's say delete. Delete rows. Done. Okay, do Control S, save your work, and now go back. I've done that. Okay, now merge the 4 cells of one line and type the heading about us. Merge the 4 cells of one line and type about us. Also apply the navigation CSS. Okay, so go back. Where are the 4 cells? I've deleted each and everything. Now here we need to type what? About us. Control A. It's like this. Right click and center align it. Okay, now what else? Apply the navigation.css class and copy the text about us from the arena to website and paste appropriately. Okay. Now about us text we need to pick from the website. So where is about us? So about us is somewhere over here. About arena or about us. Policies blah blah blah. So let's click here about arena. Here about us. About arena, about membership, blah blah blah. Okay, now this is about arena. So I'm going to copy this text. Copy it and paste it in the design section over here. अबाउट अस यहाँ पे आना चाहिए, इनको मर्ज करना चाहिए ना. नेक्स्ट 4 सेल्स को मर्ज करना था, इसको ये सब डिलीट करना था. अबाउट अस यहाँ पे आना चाहिए था. ऐसे ही है ना. कॉपी दिस, कट, instead of renewable and is about us, we will paste it over here. And now I will merge all these 4 cells together. Right click, merge cells, and now let's delete these. Now here I need to insert what? The text. Copy this and paste this text over here. Paste special. text only. Okay, and then apply the CSS navigation. Done, applied. Okay, now go back to the Dreamweaver instruction. Okay, now open the contact.html Dreamweaver, delete the YouTube video, latest news and upcoming events column, merge our forces on one line heading contacts us, and apply the navigation CSS class. Okay, I have done that. Okay, gee, okay, let's end this till here. Oh, go back, Dreamweaver to Control S. Okay, let me run this in a browser. Right click, preview in Internet Explorer. Yes, save it, modified. Now look here. When I will click on home page, this is all about us. Now what if I click on home page? It will take me directly to my home page. Now I'm going to click on about us. It will take me to directly that file about.html. So why that is not working? About.html about us is not working. So I need to go back and figure out what happened. What is the file name? About.html. Okay, something is not right over here. Let me change this. About. What happened? Control Z, right click, rename. So just change this .html. Now I will go back. Now refresh. Now click on home. Now click on about us. Now it's working. Now click on home. Click on about us. Click on home. And here we have the video. Okay, ji, thank you very much. If you like this video, please